So I traded my Galaxy Z Fold 3 for the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector, and this is Gadget Beard. And on this channel, I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Just want to do a quick rant video. I did trade my Galaxy Z Fold 3 for the new S22 Ultra. I am happy with the trade. I am ecstatic. I know some of you guys out there are going to be pissed, and they're like, why would you do that? Let me know down in the comment section below, what do you think? If did I make a mistake or did I not make a mistake? But like I said, the device for my use is just not practical on to carry this big of a device in your pocket, this heavy a device. You know what I'm saying? It's like having an extra 10 pounds in your pocket. I know it's not that heavy, but it felt that heavy. I never really unfolded the device. The only time I did that was just to consume media. And at that point, dude, any device with a 6.8 or 6.7 or higher display, it's practically fine, dude. The aspect ratio of the screen, you know what I'm saying? You had the black bars, you had the crease. So overall, I'm done. I'm done with folding devices. I am not gonna pick one up unless it's the Pixel Fold. In that case, I hope they learn from Vivo though and give you a practical front screen that you can do everything that you need to do there. And then if you want to unfold and enjoy a bigger display, then you can do that. That's one thing that the Galaxy Z Fold does not provide. The minimal candy bar display in front, yeah, you can get away with doing some things, but you know, typing was a hassle, watching videos on there was a hassle. It just wasn't practical. And again, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Thank you for allowing me to rant. I needed to get that off my chest. I really did. It was bothering me. No, it wasn't. Anyways, make sure you hit that like and share button. And again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.